Gemini is on iPhone, and it's more than just a chatbot. You can type, talk, share images, and have full live conversations. Here's how to get started. Open the App Store, search Gemini, and download the one by Google. Open it, sign in with your Google account, and the app is ready. Type your prompt in the box at the bottom. I'll ask for 3 productivity tips. Gemini answers straight away. Tap the microphone icon to speak instead of type. It transcribes and responds the same way. And tap Add Files to attach a photo or image. I'll drop in a picture and ask what's in it. Gemini reads it and tells you. For a hands-free experience, tap Live at the bottom, or just swipe left. This opens a real-time voice conversation where you talk and Gemini talks back. You can interrupt it mid-sentence, ask follow-ups, and change topics naturally. Tap End or the X icon when you're done, and the transcript is saved automatically. One last thing, add a Gemini widget to your home screen so you can open it or start a voice prompt with one tap. Hold the home screen, tap Edit, then Add Widget, search Gemini, pick your style, and click Add Widget. Done. That's Gemini on iPhone. Download it, sign in, type or talk, attach images, go live for real conversations, and add a widget for quick access. Free to download on all plans. Hit like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.